Welcome back to Quantreef.com. XRP is trading around 150, sitting right at the top of its recent range, which makes this a genuinely interesting spot to dig into. We'll walk through liquidity, support and resistance, VWAP, Fibonacci, fair value gaps, positioning, and where this likely goes over the next several hours. Price is 1.5093, and the trend reads constructive here, backed by a trend and structure score of 77.6 and a crypto relative strength reading near 99.7, so rotation is clearly favoring this name right now. Price is trading above session VWAP at 1.4871 and above both anchored VWAPs from the swing high and low, 1.4966 and 1.3782, so buyers are holding value up here, not just poking at it. The liquidation picture on the pools themselves is thin right now, but the structure around price tells the story anyway. Above, the market has room toward 1.5465 and beyond that 1.70, both attractive magnets if momentum keeps building. Below, the 1.4877 swing low is the immediate cushion, with stops likely clustering just under the 1.47546 stop level. Price tends to drift toward these pools before reversing, since that's where the resting orders actually are. On screen, resistance above sits at target 1, 1.5465, then target 2 up at 1.70, and target 3 at 1.750 for 4. Support below is the 1-hour swing low at 1.4877, backed by the stop-loss level at 1.475 for 6. Given the high stop hunt risk flagged here, a quick wick through either side wouldn't surprise me before the real move shows itself. A clean break of the swing low would be the first sign this red is wrong. There are no unfilled gaps sitting above price right now, only below. The nearest is the 1D bull gap between 1.378 and 1.3441, then two 4-hour bull gaps stacked lower at 1.32 to 1.347. and 1.275 to 1.2965, all unfilled and acting as potential magnets on a deeper pullback. On the Fibonacci side, price is inside the swing structure, sitting well above the 0.382 retracement, which now backs price as support. Given how far price has run above both, I'd expect the market to react to the nearer fib support before it ever gets pulled into those lower gaps. The grade here reads neutral, printing an N of 84 with an HTS of 63. Crypto relative strength at 99.7 and volume and liquidity at 86.7 are doing the heavy lifting, while Fibonacci location at 37.1 and statistical volatility at 38.3 are dragging the grade down. On positioning, the 4-hour taker split shows 56.6% short volume against 43% for long, so short sellers have actually been more aggressive into this move up, which is worth watching. With shorts leaning into a rally like this, a push through 1.5465 could easily trigger a squeeze, since that taker short volume is now offside if price keeps climbing toward 1.7. Fail there, and the 1.4877 swing low becomes the obvious magnet, with the stop cluster near 1.475 for 6 likely getting swept first. Remember, XRP largely follows Bitcoin's own liquidity flow, so check that picture before leaning either way here. Bullish case, holds above VWAP and swing low, targets 1.5465 then 1.70, invalidated on a close below 1.475 for 6. Bearish case, loses 1.4877, opens the door toward the gap zone near 1.34, invalidated back above 1.5465. This is a real decision point, and whichever side takes that next liquidity pool likely dictates the next leg. If this kind of structural read is useful, give the video a like and subscribe. Quantreef.com runs this same 9-layer grade, probability and liquidity framework across more than 100 coins, with a 7-day trial if you want to dig deeper. Educational only, not financial advice.